VidIq review for beginners, how to use VidIq for YouTube SEO. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this software to make it easier as for us to create our YouTube videos, to optimize them. Is it easy to find the topics with VidIq? So in this video we are going to discuss all the features about VidIq. In order to get started, we need to visit their website vidiq.com. So here we are on this page. So as you can see, they have their own extension. We can download it in Google Chrome. Basically, it's really helpful, and I suggest you to use it because it's like it helps when we are watching and we are working on a YouTube website. Of course, we have all the features on vidiq.com website, but if we are on YouTube, it helps us to show a lot of different features. I'll show them a little bit later. So in order to get started, we need to go to this home page right up here, and then just click on sign up with Google, or we can create our own account. So I'll just sign up with Google, and after that we'll come to this page. As you can see, this is our home page here. In the right top corner I have my account. I already connected it. So when you'll create your account in VidIq, you'll have to connect your YouTube account. Basically, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just to log in with necessary email. So basically we'll come to this page where we can find a lot of stuff. Basically, we have some folders here in the top of the screen. As you can see, dashboard, daily ideas, keywords, competitors, subscribers, CEO, max, and AI coach. Basically, we can also upgrade the VidIq plan. As you can see, they have like 3 plans: max, boost, and pro. I'm using just free plan. They also provide us free plan, and as for me, features are enough. Of course, we can use pro, max, and boost. Basically, it depends on your interest. And so basically, let's find the interface. On the dashboard, we have a lot of stuff. For example, our channel stats here. As you can see, the number of views, subscribers, watch time, retention, and estimated revenue. Basically, right up here you can find the same on your YouTube studio, of course, but this is a way of how can you find it. Some daily ideas, they provide us 3 ideas every single day. So as for me, it's like how to install Filza file manager, Movavi video editor, like create an epic TikTok, and so on. Every day they provide us 3 different ideas. If you have like paid plans, you can also like reach more ideas from the AI. Also, there is like AI title recommendation. We can use it to create some titles. For example, if you want to find something about VidIq tutorial, we can get different titles here, and they'll provide us some like discover how to get massive views with this VidIq tutorial, discover the secrets of VidIq optimization, and so on. So this is a way basically of how can we create a lot of different titles. It works just similar to ChatGPT or something like this, just their own AI software. Of course, they have some keyword opportunities here. We can search for different keywords to find are they popular, to discover their search volume, to discover competition. As you can see, if you try to input something like VidIq, we can try to find it here. So we can open keyword research and find like VidIq, and then just click on return. So we'll find that there is like search volume about 1 million of searches, and the competition is quite low. So as you can see, the overall score is pretty high. It means that we can simply create our video about VidIq, and probably they will get some views from maybe search, from browse features, or recommendation. We can also find the related keywords here. If we'll come to this page where we can find like VidIq tutorial, VidIq Pro, and VidIq review. Of course, we can improve our SEO with just upgrade to Pro. They'll provide us more related keywords, but sometimes it's enough to use this one because simply we can switch to VidIq tutorial, for example, and try to find something which is related to this keyword. So we can just step by step find a lot of different keywords we can use while optimizing our videos. Also, we can go to matching terms here where we can find a lot of stuff. Also, they suggest us to use some keywords, and there is some questions about like text, so how to download, how to find pro version maybe, or some other stuff. If you'll go to competitors, we can find a lot of competitors performance, so we can find a lot of stuff here. Also, we can add some accounts and some other stuff. There is like also the subscribers folder here, but it's available only for like VidIq Pro, and the CEO is also available for VidIq Pro. So this is how can we deal with this website. Also, I wanted to show you how can we use VidIq while we are using YouTube, for example. So as you can see, if we are trying to find for some topic here, like VidIq for YouTube optimization, for example, in the right side of the screen, there is the option to work with like these awards here. We can find the overall score. So as you can see, the volume is like 39 and the competition is medium. So as you can see, the rank of these like search input is like 48. It's not that high, but it's still enough. Like as you can see, you can find a lot of stuff like highest use, average use here, average subscribers, added last 7 days, and so on. So it could be interesting as for us to discover a lot of topics we can use. Also, on every single video, we can find firstly the number of subscribers on this channel. We can also find the text here. If you'll click on this toggle list, basically we can deal with it. And also sometimes it shows the number of views, how many views this video reached per hour. It's shown sometimes here, but basically not at all. As you can see, for example, this video, we can find that it's like 2 views per hour here, so it's pretty cool. So we can find some information. If you'll try to open some videos, for example like this, in the right side we can also find a lot of different statistics. For example, how many views did it reach for the first day, for the second, for the third. We can also find the social metrics about it. We can find the overview about VidIq score, views per hour, total views, duration, and so on. Also, the VidIq provides us the opportunity to check is there good optimization here. For example, tags are good, description is good, but the title as for VidIq is too long. So basically, it could help us to analyze maybe. Also, there is like channel analytics here, like total views, average daily views, channel country, and so on. And what is interesting really is that our VidIq tags, video text is right up here, so we can try to find what tags are pretty cool. We can copy them in this icon, or we can just export it like CSV. Also, there is like channel tags. And as for me, it's pretty cool. It also helps us to analyze some commenters, for example, how many subscribers do we have, and so on. So as for YouTube, this is like their extension, so we need to use the extension. Also, in the top of the screen, there is the option to find the number of views per hour on our channel, and so on. So basically, it's pretty cool as for me. As I already said, they have like 4 plans. One of them is free, of course, Pro, Boost, and Max. If you're interested, you can try use it for free in basic plan, and after that upgrade to Boost. As for me, maybe Boost is the best one, but basic is enough if you're only starting. So this is a way of how can we deal with VidIq. It was a review. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.